Good evening. My name is K. Gulrathan. I am 51 years old. I am married. My wife is named E.M. Nirmala. I have three children. They are boys. I follow in botanical garden course 1 year Peradeniya, and agriculture course follow in foreigner center for 4 months. I have totally experienced Mahinda Rajapaksa Telecinema garden 4 years more. Thank you very much.